This toolkit is used to measure and check the camshaft low position in Volvo D13K and Renault GTI 13 engines. Jaltest includes procedures referring to this kit. Here's an example of a checking procedure of the camshaft low position with Jaltest in a Volvo FM truck. We select truck, vehicle type, Volvo truck brand, FM family, and FM FMX before starting in 2013 up-to-date model. In the Vehicle Technical Data module, we select 420 D13K starting in 2013 up-to-date engine type. Now, in Adjustments and Tolerances, we select Measurements, and then select a procedure depending on the type of the engine brake. In the header of this procedure, we can see the different special tools within Jaltest tools family that should be used. These special tools also appear in each of the steps where they should be used.